Hi, everybody. Becky Garcia here with my home group, and I wanted to bring a special guest in today. Janice Perez is with Arizona Reliable Insurance Agency, and I asked her just to share some tips on what she's seeing and with this COVID world that we're going through on the insurance side of things. So, Janice?
Hi, thank you, Becky. My name is Janice Perez. I am the agency owner and principal of Arizona Reliable Insurance Agency. And I know definitely during this time and during the whole coronavirus pandemic, we've all had to adapt and change our lifestyles just to kind of get by during these times, including insurance companies. So I put together a list of 3 things that I think that would benefit the majority of people to know about insurance during these times. So I'll kind of share those with you today. I think the biggest feedback I can give customers right now who are maybe not working or work has slowed is you can lower your cost temporarily of insurance. So the biggest thing you can do is report your low mileage to your insurance company. So there's a few companies that do look at total miles driven. And if you're not going to be driving these next few months because of work slowing down, let your agent know. You can also take advantage of usage-based insurance. So what that is, it's typically you connect your phone to your car using Bluetooth, and that usage-based insurance will give you discounts depending on your low mileage. So you can report your low mileage, take advantage of usage-based insurance, and then you can even suspend coverage. So if you know you're gonna, tuck yourself at home and not drive your car at all, there's an option to remove certain coverages so that you're not paying extra coverage that you might not need. So I think the best way to do that is to get a hold of your agent. If you need to get a secondary opinion, I'm here to help. I'd be more than happy to do so. Another thing,
real quick, what's a question that comes up is what happens for people who just cancel their insurance altogether to save, the expense if they're not going to
do not. Canceling insurance is totally fine if you don't plan on driving ever again. So if your grandma sold her car, she gave up her license, or you're not going to drive for, the next year, then go ahead and cancel coverage. But for your everyday driver like myself or, real estate agents, if you cancel coverage, one of the things that insurance companies do rate for is how long you've had continuous insurance. So you might be shooting yourself in the foot if you cancel coverage for a month and then reshop again, because now you're going to be put into kind of a high risk tier where that can hurt you. So suspending coverage is a different option. So yeah, thank you, Becky.
Great, thank you.
Okay, another thing that I do want to talk about is how insurance companies do know that people aren't going to be driving, so they're going to be paying out less because of claims. So many insurance companies are giving money back to their clients. So majority, I would say, are giving anywhere between 15 to 20% of your April and May's premium. So keep an eye out on your checking accounts or your mail that you're getting from your insurance companies, because we don't accidentally want to shred or throw away checks. So anything that you're getting from your insurance company in these next couple months, be sure to check it and double check your accounts to see if you did get a refund from your company, because a lot of companies are doing that. And that's, of course, to help offset cars that aren't being operated during this time.
Got it.
And then one other item that I did note down is that typically insurance companies do not cover delivery. So if you're maybe an Uber driver or delivering food, normally you would have to add extra coverage to your policy for that to be covered. But a huge number of companies are allowing that to be covered. And when I say that, I mean specifically delivery of items. So if you are maybe delivering food, just to kind of pick up some extra cash here and there, or maybe your work now requires you to deliver food because no one's walking in restaurants anymore, that delivery is being covered. So anything that is food or medical supplies would be allowed to be covered during these next couple months. And then again, all of this is dependent upon your actual insurance carrier. So the best thing to do is to call your agent. I work with about 20 different companies, so majority of mine do cover. If you need a second opinion on your quote, definitely give me a call.
Okay, and that's actually, please give everybody your contact information, how they can arrange, quotes for, and life insurance, I'm assuming you do, health, so not health insurance, life insurance, homeowners, car, everything?
Yep, I do home insurance, auto insurance, life insurance. So the fact that I am a broker means that I look around between multiple different companies just to make sure I'm getting the best option for the client's needs. So you can call me directly. My phone number is 623-889-4000. So super easy, 623-889-4000. You can email me. It's Janice Perez, JANICE PEREZ at arizonareliable.com. And then my email address, my website address is just arizonareliable.com.
Okay, well, thank you, Janice, so much. We appreciate your time and all the information. And everybody, if you guys have questions, additional insurance questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Janice, and she'll be sure to get those answers for you. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Becky.
Bye.